Hello students. So now we will discuss about the topic minerals and ores. Minerals and ores. Minerals are what? Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substances. Inorganic substances. Right? Organic means which we obtain from the living organisms. Inorganic means which we obtain as non-living from the non-living things. So means we will extract minerals from the rocks mainly. These are inorganic in nature and naturally present beneath the under the surface of earth. Minerals, they may be of different types now. One will be minerals, they will be ores. So what are ores? Here, clear that all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Right? Ores are the minerals from which we can extract specifically metals, right? So ores are the minerals from which one or more metals they can be extracted, right? And various processes by which we can extract a metal in its pure state, right? We can extract a metal from its ore. Metallurgy process, various steps by which we can extract any metal from its ore, right? By following various steps. That process is called extraction of metals from its ore. That process is called the metallurgy, right? So what is metallurgy? Metallurgy means the sequence of processes which are used to extract various metals from their ores, right? For example, we can say, for example, bauxite, hematite. These are the examples of the ores. Bauxite ore. From this we can extract metal. Which metal? We can extract aluminium. Hematite is an ore from which we can extract iron metal, right? So in this way there is a huge list of the ores also from where we can extract different types of the metals, right? Now so many steps are followed to obtain metal in its pure state, but main steps which are involved in the extraction of metals, main steps involved in the extraction of metals, they are: first is the concentration of ore. First is the concentration of ore. What does it means? Means ore will also be present in nature, right? Naturally it will be present. So it will not be in the pure form. It will be having so many impurities, other impurities. So first thing is to remove various impurities from the ore while doing extraction of metals, right? So concentration of ore means, what does it mean? It means removal of impurities, right? Removal of impurities from ore during extraction of metals is called concentration of ore, right? Second step after the concentration, second step will be the reduction, right? Now reduction is what? next step means here we will get the metal in its free state. So here reduction means the loss of removal of, you can say, oxygen. More specifically, if we define reduction, that is the loss of oxygen is called reduction, gain of oxygen is called the oxidation. Right? This is the one chemical process will be here, means reduction will be done here after the concentration. And why this reduction is done? This is done to get the metal in its free state. Right? So reduction is done to obtain that metal in its free state. That is called reduction. Then next main step will be, third step will be refining of the metal. Right? Now after reduction, when we get metal in its free state, still this metal is impure. Still that metal will be impure. So what will be refining? Refining is the further finishing, we can say further step after the reduction, means to get pure metal. So refining is done. It is the process by which metals are purified, by which metal is purified. Right? So while extracting metals from their respective ores, right, keep in mind these three steps. One, concentration of ore, main steps I have discussed with you. Second one is the reduction, and third one is the refining. Right? These steps should be followed in sequence to obtain metal in its pure state, right, from the ore. So this is all about this topic, minerals and ores. Thank you.